Hey guys, Kapper here. We're on this beautiful work site again with me and Phil with the two Bobcats. We're hoping to wrap it up, so let's get to work and see how things are going and get some fresh air. Let's check it out. Look at that, all warmed up and ready. Phil got here a little early, got the machines warmed up, ready to roll. Alright, let's take a quick look here. If you missed parts 1 and 2 of this project, I'll put a link down below in case you want to see them. So this is the dam we're working on right here, finishing it up today. This pond actually has 2 dams. The second one is over here, which is actually their driveway. It's quite a large lake, and I'm pretty pleased with how the dam repair went. So let's take a closer look. Be sure to stick through the whole video. There's going to be some good before and after footage at the end. And let's get into this thing and get it started for the day. This is the final part 3 of finishing this pond dam. We also finished this entire project, but those are going to be separate videos because I don't want it dragging out for too long on one super long video. Don't forget, we appreciate it if you'd like and comment and share our content to help us get out there, because we do strive to put some really good content up to share with you guys. So right now I took the ditch bucket, the smooth bucket, and I'm just kind of packing down the slopes. Both of them are much too steep to try any kind of grading on with either machine. So I'm just packing them the best I can, and then I'll be planting seed over the whole thing here shortly.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me,
Here's a look at the major leak repair. We needed just a little more dirt to bring it up to grade. It's just a quick grade with the excavator, and then we're going to do the power rake on it. Getting better. All right, here's a look at the pond dam. All that's left is to seed it and run the drag, or the cultipacker, or maybe both. Got the edges flattened out the best I can. I'm not going to grade. This is way too steep here. Looking good. All right, so then I didn't have any footage of it, but I planted a mix of grass seed and wheat, and then I fertilized it and I ran the drag over it, the same drag here with the two heavy weights. So let's take a look at the final product and see how nice this thing looks. Okay, the pond dam is completely done. Seeded and fertilized and ran over it with the drag once. Definitely a success. And then the area here, we kind of tore the lawn up a little, so we dragged that. I seeded all this, fertilized it as well. Got the borrow pit cleaned up for being a rough area of swamp, basically. And the last thing is to seed and probably drag the front lawn here. Phil just finished up. We're going to kind of take one last look at it, make sure we got our drainage okay, and get this done.